I believe in hope and change. I hope my lawyer can get me off just like OJ. I have changed. I will follow Brother Obama like school children. He hate America like me, so change is good. I love New York now.
Islam is not part of the problem in combating violent extremism. It is an important part of promoting peace.
We are no longer a Christian nation.
We do not consider ourselves a Christian nation.
John McCain has not talked about my Muslim faith, and you're absolutely right that